Hey, let's play poker.
Right here.
Yeah, we can.
Hey, let's play Uno. Let's play Jenga.
What?
Nice, stash now.
What?
What are you guys doing? Get away from me. So, what inspired you for your fit today?
Me.
Your girl's cheating on you, bro.
My shit got stolen, bro. I gotta commend them.
She broke him off.
We should have him dead.
That man's a rager. He's a real rager.
What kind of fucking meetup is this?
This guy's going crazy, bro. Oh my god. That's how his hand broke off.
Okay.
He's actually following her. Yo, is this the dance, bro? Is this the dance, bro?
Bro,
yo.
Relax. Hey, bro, relax.
Yo, yeah, it was just the dance, bro. Oh, KJ, this is Taya.
Mike Sherm.
Oh, KJ? Wow, KJ. That's crazy.
The only other KJ is Kylie Jenner. And Kris Jenner. And Kendall Jenner.
Why are you calling her birds? Why are you calling them birds, bro? Taya's just calling y'all birds. She's calling y'all birds, bro. Don't listen to her.
Check this out.
No! What the hell? That was too strong. That was too strong. That was too strong.
What the fuck?
Is he dead again?
Is he alive?
He died again.
He's too lit.
Roddy, why are you so... Happy birthday to you.
Really, guys, stop fucking playing with me.
Happy birthday, dear Tia.
I cussed.
Happy birthday to you. Blow the candles out, blow the candles out, blow the candles out.
I wish for a brand new Benz. I put the new 4Gs. I put the new 4Gs on the Jeep. Why is it so fun? I love you. Please come here. I love you.
Give it a quick second, bro. That shit's crazy. Tell me it's crazy right now. Yeah, that shit's crazy.
Shit is crazy, bro.
That's what I'm telling you, bro.
It's the blackout.
Already got the max out, showing my blackout.
Drop him in the head and then get the mop out and then sock him in his head.
Fuck Taya. Fuck Taya.
All the homies hate Taya.
All your homies.
Everybody hates Taya. Orgies with hoes, I can't see before. Jesus, get off the notorious. Peanuts before you squeeze and bust.
Gotta change for me, I had to give it up. Niggas had it stuck. From that day I never touched a bro without a hey, from that day I never saw the point in talking tough. Hasn't happened since I guess you niggas know what's up.
We just got booty shaking, bro.
Oh, we got cars laying over here, bro. I'm missing all the action. Yo. Bro, this man is lost.
You guys are hurting me. Really hurting. Wait.
I can't even see the sofa. So much Chris smoke in the I can't help but smell the odor. They say I put so many dishes my
Isn't this cool? I'm cool. We will both fight, and then whenever any of us call it cool, it'll be cool. And then there it is. All right, kids, get back for a second. Okay.
Don't touch him, Cardi. Don't touch him.
If I'm a call, I think it's pretty even. If I'm saying